With Honeycomb Telemetry Pipeline, you can control costs with filtering and sampling, increase value by enriching telemetry, and enhance your data on demand to get the full picture when it matters most. Honeycomb Telemetry Pipeline gets your data into Honeycomb for full system visibility and fast debugging without the full volume cost. Within the integrated pipeline builder, I can create a pipeline and connect data receivers to processors that enrich, structure, and deduplicate telemetry to make it more useful and cost-efficient. Then I can draw paths to route logs, metrics, and traces where they need to go. Let's send high-severity logs to Honeycomb. For our traces, we want to send the slowest and the errors to Honeycomb, plus enough additional traces to represent normal production behavior for real-time querying. Meanwhile, we also route a copy of all our logs and traces to the cloud, just in case we need them later. When I click Deploy, Honeycomb Telemetry Pipeline rolls out my configuration to a fleet of open telemetry collectors and tail samplers in my Kubernetes cluster. I can roll back with a click, too. Define and tune a strategy for your telemetry data that limits cost and gets you the answers you need, all from a rich graphical editor. Then in Honeycomb, I get application metrics by any set of attributes on the fly. I also get the full story of what happens on that button push. Wide connected data gives me the best visibility, while deduplication keeps volume low. And then, fast self-serve access to full fidelity archived logs comes in handy when investigating things like issues affecting a specific customer. For instance, I got an alert that our service level objective is in danger. Oh no, what happened? It looks like the failures are mostly for one customer. Show me everything that happened to this customer. Well, it looks like we have some errors and some traces. For this investigation, I want to see every piece of data, even the ones that aren't usually important. I click Enhance. Honeycomb reads my S3 bucket. 2 minutes later, I have exactly the data I need. I can see everything. When I can enhance to full fidelity data on demand, I have access to the logs I need without spending too much, leaving my investigation, or waiting a long time for rehydration. You don't have to choose between cost and coverage. With Honeycomb, you get clarity no matter how large or complex your system.